is where we enjoy the ride. So come on, let's go.
I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. You and I 비교나 하지만 우리 너무 달라. We just different 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. 지금부터 시작이야. 한턱에 money calls rules. 이게 리듬이야. 한턱에 money meant the moves. I've been killing it now. 아직 랩이 미쳐버린 범인 아니니까. 하더라봐 한 미래로 돌아가. 한 doing it cause I'm flying now. 비교나 더 알아. 지가지 못하잖아.
Good morning and welcome to Belle's Rides. Thank you for joining us on this special day. Andy and I are from a long line of veterans. Both our dads served. Our cousins Mark and Ed are Vietnam veterans. Our nephew Tobias is an Afghanistan veteran. And our nephew Steve is currently serving, just to mention a few. We are so proud of them and thankful for their service.
And we are so very grateful to the veterans who have paid the ultimate sacrifice.
Every single day, we appreciate the men and women who serve and protect our freedom. And for the families left behind, we are eternally grateful to you. For without you, our men and women of the military could not do what they do to protect us all.
Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it.
It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it.
Thank you for watching on this very special day.
We hope that you enjoy your time with your family, and we will see you next week.
So until then, enjoy the ride.